Hey friends, and welcome back to the channel. So today is your lucky day because your girl Queenie is going through 8 of the most popular crypto exchanges in Australia. I'll be going through Coinspot, Binance, Swyftx, eToro, Finder, Independent Reserve, Coinbase, and BTC Markets. And I'll be comparing all of the things that are really important to me when it comes to crypto exchanges and are probably really important to you as well, including the fees, security, choice of coins, user interface, and tax. Because let's be real, we are a frugal family here on this YouTube channel, and we do not want to be paying excessive fees when we are buying assets. So let's jump right in. Keep in mind that I'm not a crypto expert, but I have signed up for every single one of these accounts. So I do have insights into the pros and cons of these different exchanges. And it is important to remember that cryptocurrency is a highly volatile and speculative investment. I personally only have 5 to 10% of my net worth in cryptocurrency because it is just really volatile and speculative. And it is not uncommon for cryptocurrencies to drop 90% in a short period of time. No! So keep these things in mind when you are trading with crypto. Another thing which is important is to have two-factor authentication on your crypto exchange. So in order to log into your crypto account, you will need access to your phone for Google Authenticator or getting a text message from your phone. And the reason why this is really important is, let's just say, for example, a hacker does get access to your crypto exchange password. They won't be able to log in unless they also have access to your phone number as well, or your Google Authenticator. And a hacker would find it a lot more difficult to get a hold of these things. Queenie, why are you telling them our secrets? So now let's dive into the comparison. So this is something that I've prepared earlier. The first crypto exchange is Coinspot. Coinspot has the widest amount of coins available on their exchange. They currently have 298 coins available. Their trading fees are 0.1% for market orders, 0.1% for OTC orders, 1% for take profit, stop, and limit orders. And this is when orders are executed on your behalf based on automated trading rules that you set up, and a recurring buy order at 1%. And these are their deposit and withdrawal fees. So for Polypay, Pay ID, and direct deposit, it's completely free. But if you do want to use BPay, the fee is 0.9%. And if you do want to use cash, it's 2.5%. They currently don't have any withdrawal fees to Australian banks. The user interface of Coinspot is honestly very, very easy to use, and beginners wouldn't have a problem using this platform. They have an ISO 27001 certification. For security, the Coinspot platform looks like it is pretty secure. So they do have offline storage protocols. They do have two-factor authentication that you can set up on your account, which can make it a lot more secure. They also do have custom withdrawal restrictions and session timeouts. So just in case somebody does get access to your computer for whatever reason, or your Chrome extension, it does log you out of Coinspot. And it does send you email notifications whenever somebody logs into your account from a new browser. For tax, Coinspot does have all of your transactions listed, and it also does come with end of financial year statements, which can also calculate your tax for you. So it's one of the easiest ways to calculate your tax. And I do have an affiliate link to Coinspot down in my description below. If you sign up with my link, you'll get $10 worth of free Bitcoin, and I will also get an affiliate commission. So now let's look at Binance. So they have 263 coins available, which is a pretty wide selection of coins. Their trading fees are 0% to 0.1%. They don't have any deposit fees, and their withdrawal fees are from $1 to $15. And this varies depending on the amount of money that you'd like to withdraw, and also the kind of cryptocurrency that you'd like to withdraw as well. The user interface of Binance honestly is a little bit confusing. It did take me quite a bit of time to figure out this interface. So it might be a little bit more challenging if you are a beginner to sign up to a platform like Binance, although the fees are very enticing. From what I can see, their security is quite good. They do have two-factor authentication. They do send you email notifications for withdrawals, account detail changes, and also high volume trades. And when you're doing your taxes, it does have a transaction history of all of your trades. And if you would like to sign up to Binance, I do have an affiliate link down in my description below. So now let's take a look at Swyftx. They have 270 coins available, and their trading fees are 0.6%. They don't have any deposit fees, and they don't have any withdrawal fees. fees. The user interface of Swyftx is really easy to use. I signed up for an account a couple of weeks ago, and it is definitely a very beginner-friendly platform if you would like to try it out. From what I can see, the security of Swyftx does seem pretty good. So they are integrated with Auth0, they have two-factor authentication, and they also do confirm withdrawals, account detail changes, and high volume trades. And they do have a transaction history of all of your trades so that you can reconcile them for tax time. And if you would like to sign up to Swyftx, I do have an affiliate link down in the description below. If you sign up with my link, you'll actually get $15. So I have negotiated it from $10 to $15, and I will also get an affiliate commission as well. You could also use eToro. So eToro has 26 coins available on their platform. Their trading fees are 0.75% to 5%, which is quite high. And this all depends on the cryptocurrency that you're purchasing. So the cheapest cryptocurrency in terms of trading fees that you can purchase on their platform is Bitcoin, but then it can go up quite a lot when you are purchasing more niche coins. They don't have deposit fees. However, they will charge a conversion fee if you are depositing money from Australian dollars. They will need to convert it into US dollars, and you will pay a currency conversion fee. When you're withdrawing your funds, there is a $5 minimum fee, and there are also currency conversion fees from USD back into Australian dollars. And they also do have a $10 per month inactivity fee. The user interface of eToro is pretty easy to use and pretty easy for beginners. However, something to keep in mind is they do have a lot of different things that you can purchase on the eToro platform. So it's not just crypto, you can also buy stocks, and you can also buy commodities, and you can even get access to CFD trading, which can both magnify gains and also magnify losses as well. So this platform is more suited towards traders, and for a beginner, you don't want to accidentally, purchase something with CFD trading, for example. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. They do have two-factor authentication on their accounts, and they do have a list of all of your transactions, so you can reconcile them during tax time. Next up is Independent Reserve. So they have 25 coins available, and their trading fees are 0.05% to 0.5%. Deposits into Independent Reserve are free for $100 plus, and for under $100, it is 99 cents. If you want to use Swift, it's free for deposits over $5,000 and $15 for deposits under $5,000. When you withdraw money in Australian dollars, the bank transfer is free. However, if you would like to transfer money into a non-Australian bank account, the fee will be $20. The interface of Independent Reserve honestly isn't amazing. I wouldn't say it's super easy for beginners. They do offer two-factor authentication on their platform, and they do have a transaction history of all of your trades. And if you would like to check out Independent Reserve for yourself, I do have an affiliate link down in my description below. So next up is the Finder app. They do have two cryptos available, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Their trading fees are 1% for trades above $1,000, and for below $1,000, their trading fees are 2.5%. Deposits into Finder are free and withdrawals are free. The user interface of the Finder app is really easy to use, and they do have two-factor authentication, and they also do offer a transaction history of all of your trades. I do have an affiliate link down in my description below. You can do a lot more with the Finder app than just purchase cryptocurrency, and you can also compare credit cards. You can even use it to track your expenses as well. So if you would like to check out this app for free, I do have an affiliate link down in my description below, and you and I will both get $5. So next up is Coinbase. They have 59 coins available. Their trading fees are from 0 to 0.5% as a maker fee, and 0.04% to 0.5% as a taker fee. Deposits into Coinbase cost $10 for fiat currency, and it's free for crypto. If you would like to withdraw funds from Coinbase, it is $25 for fiat currency and free for crypto. The user interface of Coinbase is really easy to use, especially for beginners, and they also have an app. Security for Coinbase is really good from what I can see. They do have two-factor authentication, and 99% of assets are stored offline in a cold storage wallet, which means that they will be stored offline, so it will be a lot more difficult for hackers to get access to it. And the 1% of online assets that Coinbase has are insured. For tax purposes, they do have a transaction history of all of your trades. I do have an affiliate link down in my description to Coinbase, and if you sign up with my link, we'll both get some free money. And finally, there is BTC Markets, which has 21 coins available. The Bitcoin trading fees are 0.05% for maker fees and 0.2% for taker fees. And if you are trading with Australian dollars, the fees are from 0.1% to 0.85%. It is free to deposit crypto into BTC Markets. Withdrawing funds from BTC Markets is free for bank transfers. However, if you would like to withdraw crypto, other fees will apply, and this all depends on the cryptocurrency that you are withdrawing. The user interface of BTC Markets is pretty easy to use, and they do have two-factor authentication. For tax purposes, they do have a transaction history of all of your trades. So that is my comparison of 8 of the most popular crypto exchanges in Australia. And if you would like to sign up to any of these crypto exchanges, I do have affiliate links down in my description below, so we can both potentially get some free money. So out of all of these different crypto exchanges, some of my favorites are Coinspot, Binance, and Swyftx. And this is because of the choice of coins that you get on each of these platforms, and also the trading fees. Although Coinspot can be a bit expensive depending on how you deposit money and how you withdraw money. But at the end of the day, it's all up to you and what your personal preferences are with cryptocurrencies and what matters most to you. If you do have quite a bit of money in crypto and you would like to get more involved in crypto, I highly do recommend checking out a cold storage wallet. This will help protect your crypto assets a lot more than if you just leave them in exchanges. Even when you do have two-factor authentication on your accounts, there still can be some risk that hackers can still potentially steal your crypto. So that's why having an offline cold storage wallet can really help protect your cryptocurrency. So it's definitely worth checking out. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. I have a secret code word for you, which is moon, as in Doge to the moon. So write me a comment below with the word moon in it, just so I know who watched this video all the way to the end. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you tap the like button so you can send this YouTube channel to the moon like Dogecoin, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos about investing and personal finance. I will see you in the next video. Bye. And if you want more content, don't worry, I got you. Here are some more links to videos that you can watch, so make sure you click the links and click through to another video.